Good day, good day. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, for another day. And thank you, even I have shirt. Now I have already, now I have a shirt. And I have 1 subscribers. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, Lord, for another day. Thank you for everything that you are giving to us. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for the support. Thank you for everything that you are still supporting. In my, ayan o, tumaas na naman yung mga buhok ko. Diba? Taas-taasan naman yung mga buhok niya. Ito, sige. Tambay na muna natin to saglit kasi nga iligpit ko lang yung mga kalat ko dito sa kitchen. Once again, thank you for mga some vloggers that you have still helping and my channel from the beginning until now. Nationwide, worldwide, and to the different countries, to the different people that you are still watching and supporting my new channel. And good luck for everything. Maraming salamat talaga sa continue na pag-support, continue sa pag-guide sa channel niyo. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thanks for the best at all. Maraming salamat talaga to my all families, both side of my nanay and tatay, angkan sa hometown na pinagmulan ko, sa pinagmulan ng journey ko until na nagiging OFW, nagiging housemaid ako. At saka from the beginning, yun na yung sinasabi, from the beginning until now, good luck and thank you so much for my journey that I have, that while I'm still living in this earth, not only to me, to all people na nabilong tayo sa mga different countries, kung saan tayo kung saan tayo naroroon, at yung mga nationalities natin na magkakaiba. Kaya good luck and God provide everything whatever we need. Okay? And to my all madam, to the family of my madam and sir, thank you. And God knows everything, whatever blessings that you have, whatever you do in your life, in your work, and with your own children of Choto Sisi and the future baby. Good luck, God bless, provide everything. And I'm not a perfect housemaid, I'm not a good woman, I'm not a good daughter, but I just doing my best, what I have now, what I have work, and I'm just trust everything to the Lord. And not only to me, to all of us also, to my family, to my mga nieces ko, and mga po sa tuhod, mga brother, mga in-laws, sister-in-laws, and the good luck sa lahat ng mga plano para sa future ninyo. Hindi lamang sa angkan ko, sa mga families, sa mga kaming magkapatid, kasi isa na lang pala, and sa mga aunties and uncle, lahat na generalize na yun. Thank you so much, and to all people, and good luck sa mga naka-reach na ng good goal na mga ibang vloggers that you have. Ingatan ninyong maigi yan, kasi that is part of your journey also. And to all people in this world, Thank you so much, Lord. Thank you very much talaga, Lord, for everything what I have. And God bless us all. And bye.